Okay, now see question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons rainy, winter, and summer. Which season got the most votes? Find the central angle of each sector. Draw a pie chart to show this information. Now you can see one here table given in which three season summer, rainy, and winter, and peoples out of 360 ask for their favorite season and give the reply. It is equal to the number of votes given in a table. For example, summer season 90 people are liked, rainy season 120 people are liked, and winter season 150 people are liked. Now we know that the question number 1, which season got the most vote? So definitely winter season. In winter season there are 150 peoples are like winter season, so it means winter season got the most vote. Now second, find the central angle of each sector. It means we have to convert this given data into degree. And how can we convert this information, this data into degree? We know that because of in last lecture we already discussed this. See here, we know that in a summer we have 90 people are liked summer out of 360, and we know that the degree of circle, it is 360 degree, right? So we are dividing 360 degree, we get 90 degree. It is known as central angle of summer. Central angle of summer. Now we can see for rainy season 120 people are like rainy season. We are dividing with 360 because of total number of people 360 and multiply with 360 the degree of circle. Now 360 degree will be cut, we get 120 degree. It is the central angle of rainy season. Now for winter season, how many people are like 150? Divide by 360 into the degree of circle, it is 360 degree. 360 will be cut, we get 150 degree central angle of winter season. Now what we have to do, we have to draw a pie chart in question number 3. So for pie chart, first of all we are drawing one circle. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
In this circle, for example, we are taking, it is our center point, and from center point we are taking one radius, right? Now with the help of protector, please remember, with the help of protector you have to make this every angle. I have no protector in this mobile, so I am just doing this roughly, right? You, whenever you write down this everything in your fair book, please use the protector to measure every central angle in every question. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see for summer we have 90 degree angle. So 90 degree, it means it is perpendicular, right? Now 120 degree for rainy season. So we are taking, it is 120 degree. So it is summer, it is rainy season, and it is winter. And if you want to write down the central angle, I'm writing here 90 degree central angle. It is for summer, 120 degree central angle for rainy season, and 150 degree central angle for winter season. Clear all of you? It is our
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
chart.
Yes, sir.
Write down this question. Okay, wait. We are doing one more question and then after you can write. See, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the color preferred by a group of people. Blue color, green color, red color, and yellow color. A blue color, number of peoples are 18. Green color, number of peoples are 9. in red 6, yellow 3. There are total 36 people, right? So first we are converting this information into degree. It means central angle we have to find, and then after we are showing this all the information in our pie chart. So see here in question number 3, what we have to do. In question number 3, 4 different colors are given. Blue, 18 people are light out of 36 into 360 degree of circle. So we are dividing. You can see 18 twos are 36 and 2 180s are 360. So it means the central angle of blue color, it is 180 degree. Now the second, for red color, sorry, for green color it is, not red, for green. For green color, 9 people are like green color out of 36. We are multiplying with 360 degree, the degree of circle. Now 36, 9 fours are 36 and 4 90s are. So it means the central angle of green color, it is 90 degree. Now red color. Red color preferred by 6 people out of 36 into 360 degree of circle. So 6 6 are 36. 360 degree divided by 6, we get 60 degree, the central angle of red color. And then yellow color preferred by 3 people out of 36 into 360 degree. So we know that 3 12s are 36 and 12 30s are 30 degree. It is the central angle of yellow color. Clear all of you? Now we are putting this all the information in our pie chart. So first of all, we are drawing one circle with certain radius. Okay. Now what we have to do, we are taking one center point. We are taking one radius. Now you can see for blue color, we have 180 degree. And we know that 180 degree, it means straight line. So it means now radius will be converted into diameter. So this angle, it is known as blue sector, blue color, 180 degree, right? Now green color is about 90 degrees. So it means it is 90 degree green color. You have to draw this all the angles with the help of protector. I am drawing roughly because of I have no protector in this mobile. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. Now red color is about 60 degree. It is red color, and it is 30 degree. It is yellow color. So now if I want to do this, some extra work. It is for blue color, it is 120 degree. Then green color, it is for green color. Okay. And
सर
red
हमको
color
लिख
60 degree.
सर हमको लिखा हुआ कैसे दिखाएंगे?
अरे वो नहीं दिखाना है, ठीक है। और येलो कलर 30 डिग्री।
और फेसबुक में भी ऐसे ही करना है सर?
ओके,
कलर करने हैं हम लोग को?
नहीं। Okay, now write down question number 2 and 3 fast. The central angle of every color we are writing in the above information. You can see. So just we are doing fill this all the color: blue, red, yellow, and green. Okay, write down fast.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में तो थ्री थ्री ए बी सी तीन है और आपने तो एक ही लिखा है
कहाँ?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3?
ये 5.2 का।
अरे 5.3 का 3 मतलब कौन सा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का 3 या क्वेश्चन नंबर मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3?
2 बोल रही हूँ, 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया आपको विंटर. Which season
हाँ,
got the most vote? It is winter season, right? Find the central angle of each sector. We are finding in our live board. And then after in question number 3, we are drawing pie chart,
ओके
right?
सर।
Okay, I am coming in 5 minutes. Please write down fast. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Written? I
Yes.
said written all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see question number 4. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science, and science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following question. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? The second question, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? And the third question, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Right? Now see, for example, आप में से कोई एक गर्ल्स जो है उसको मैथ, साइंस, सोशल, हिंदी और इंग्लिश ये 5 सब्जेक्ट्स में टोटल 540 मार्क्स मिले, राइट? And it is indicate in our circle, so it means we know one thing about circle. Degree of circle is 360 degree, right? So first of all we are writing here, oh my god, okay, okay, see, first of all we are writing the central angle of every subject: Hindi, English, maths, social science, and science, right? So here given that in Hindi 70 degree, English 55 degree and 90 degree. Hindi 70 degree, English 90 degree and maths 55 degree. No, sorry, we have mistake here. In English it is 55 degree. Oh my god, what happened? Huh? One minute wait, कुछ पता नहीं चला क्या हो गया. ठीक है चलो, इंग्लिश 55 डिग्री.
Don't fight.
Yes, 55 degree in English, and then maths 90 degree, and then SS and science 65 and 80 degree. Clear? Here given that central angle. Now we have to convert the central angle into marks. Clear? How can we convert the central angle into marks? So please see here. We know that one thing, out of 360 degree, what happened यार, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे मार्कल को क्या हो गया है? 360 डिग्री में से मान लो कि हिंदी में मुझे कितने मिले? 70 डिग्री. सो 540 मार्क्स अगर टोटल होते तो हिंदी में कितने मार्क्स मिलते? तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 540 into 70 divide by 360. Now you can see 1 0 will be cut. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54 means 30, 2 15s are, so we get 15 7s are 105 marks. Clear? Now
Yes,
you can
sir.
see 70 degree divided by total degree 360 into total marks 540, we get 105 marks in Hindi. Then second question. In English, we have 55 degree out of 360 degree into 540 total marks. We are dividing this to 0 will be cut, 18 twos are, 18 threes are, right? Now 55 threes are, 165 divide by 2, we get 82.5 marks. Now see, in maths, 90 degree divide by 360 degree into 540 marks, we get 0 will be cut, 18 twos are, 18 threes are, 240s are, we get 135 marks. Now in SS, we have 65 degree. So 65 degree out of 360 degree into 540 marks, 0 will be cut, 18 twos are, 18 threes are, 65 threes are, 195, divide by 2, we get 97.5 marks. Clear? Yes or no? And in
Yes.
science, we have 80 degree out of 360 degree into 540 marks, 2 will be cut, sorry, 0 will be cut, 18 twos are and 18 threes are, 240s are, we get 120 marks in a science. Are you getting now? Okay, now we have to give the answer of some question. See, the first question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? In Hindi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now second question. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? મેથ્સમાં હિન્દી કરતા કેટલા માર્ક્સ વધારે છે? સો મેથ્સમાં છે 135, હિન્દીમાં છે 105, બંનેને સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો, 30 માર્ક્સ વધારે છે. So in second question, what is your answer? 20 marks. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Now third question. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than that in science and Hindi. SS અને મેથ્સના માર્ક્સ સાયન્સ અને હિન્દી કરતા વધારે છે એવું તમે એક્ઝામાઇન કરો. SS અને મેથ્સના માર્ક્સ કેટલા થયા? 135 and 97.5. What is the total? 232.5, right? Now add Hindi and science. So 105 and 120, it is 225. Yes, exactly. The marks of maths and essays are more than Hindi and science. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what
Yes,
is
sir.
the answer of your
सर
question?
क्वेश्चन 4 में तो 3 है ना ABC, तो अभी एक ही लिखा है ना.
1 minute. Wait. In second question, what is the answer? 30 marks. And in question number 3, the maths plus SS is equal to 232.5 marks we get, and science plus Hindi we get 225 marks. It is the answer of your 3 questions. But before writing this answer, first write down this thing. Why? Because of we have to show how can you convert this degree into marks. In these 2 questions, we are converting the given information into degree. But in question number 4, degree is given. Now we are converting degree into our information. Clear? So write down question number 4. Written all of you?
Yes.
नो सर हजी बाकी से.
चलो फटाफट
Sir, done.
We have to complete question number 5 today. So please write down fast. We have only 5 minutes. Chalo, written.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can now see question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Languages Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, and the total number of students are 72. Okay. First, we are converting this every number of students into degree. It means central angle we have to find. And then after we can represent easily this everything in our pie chart. Okay, 40, 12, 9, 7, 4 given. See. There are 5 languages total: Hindi, English, Marathi. What happened? Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, and Bengali. Okay, 40, 12, 9, 7, 4. 40, 12, 9, 7, and 4. Okay, we are converting the number of students into number of students 40 divided by total number of students 72 into 360 degree, the the degree of a circle. Now divide, you can see 36 twos are right. So 36 tens are 360 and 36 twos are 72. Now 2 fives are 10. So 40 fives are 200 degree. It is the central angle. Now for English, what is the central angle? 12 divided by 72 into 360 degree. So 72 fives are 360 degree, 12 fives are 60 degree. Now for Marathi, there are 9 students. So 9 divided by 72 into 360 degree, the circle. 72 fives are 360, 9 fives are 45 degree. Now in Tamil, 7 divided by 72 into 360, 72 fives are 360 degree, 7 fives are 35 degree. Now in Bengali, 4 divided by 72 into 360, 72 fives are 360, 4 fives are 20 degree. So we are finding the central angle of every languages. Now we have to represent this data in our pie chart, means in a circle. So we are drawing one circle in which we are taking one radius. Now in Hindi there are 200 degree. So straight line it is means 180 degree, right? So we are taking like this. It is 200 degree. With the help of protractor you can easily draw this everything. Okay. Now second thing, for English, what is the central angle? 60 degree. So 60 degree means here it is 60 degree angle. It is for English. Okay. Now 45 degree. 45 degree for Marathi. Right? Now 35 degree for Tamil. So it means it is 35 degree for Tamil. And rest of the 20 degree it is for Bengali. Are you getting? Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot and then after write down.
સર
Ah,
સર આની પહેલાનો સમ 1 મિનિટ દેખાડો ને લાસ્ટ લાઈન લખવાની બાકી છે.
okay, no problem. Then I'm a screenshot લઈ લો બધા.
લઈ લીધો સર.
नहीं सर बाकी છે.
ચલો ફટાફટ લો સ્ક્રીનશોટ.
લઈ લીધો સર.
સર બાકી છે અમારે બધાને.
Take a screenshot of this page also.
નો સર પેલા પાછળનું તો લેવા દ્યો.
હા બેટા 1 મિનિટ પણ.
લેવાઈ ગયો.
સર
Cannot take a
5.1
screenshot of
સર
this.
લેવાઈ ગયું.
હા બેટા હા. ચલો મને